This is Danny and his son Hans. Hans is a 12-year-old with autism. Although Hans does well in school and has made a lot of progress, Danny can't seem to get him to do chores on his own. Hans often fights him when he tries to get him to do chores. Danny suspects it's because Hans doesn't feel like he can do what Danny's asking, but he won't even try. Danny is trying to teach Hans how to do laundry. Hans's teachers have told him he learns new skills quickly, but Danny has shown Hans how to do this so many times he's about to give up. It's faster for Danny to just get the laundry done on his own. He doesn't have the time to go through the process with him every week. Maybe Hans isn't ready to learn how to do this chore yet. Danny talked to Hans's BCBA at school about the challenge he has been having with this. The BCBA recommended that Danny use a task analysis to teach Hans. She explained that a task analysis breaks the skill down into small steps that Hans can learn easily. Danny spent some time going over the process with her before deciding he was ready to try it on his own. Danny sat down and thought about all the steps involved in doing laundry. As he thought about it, he realized that it was actually pretty complicated. In addition to washing and drying the clothes also needed to be ironed and folded. There were decisions that needed to be made about sorting the clothes and what needed to be ironed. Danny had been doing laundry so long that he had forgotten how many steps were involved. Danny decided to keep things simple for Hans at first. He will teach Hans to wash a load of towels. That should be simple enough. The list included the following steps. Bring the laundry to the laundry room, put the towels in the washing machine, add laundry soap to the fill line, turn on the machine, check the dial to make sure it's set for regular load, push start, wait for machine to signal being done, move clothes from washer to dryer, clean out the lint filter, add a dryer sheet, turn dryer on, push start, wait for dryer to signal being done, put the laundry in the laundry basket. The BCBA had recommended that Danny use backward chaining to teach the steps to Hans. Danny would teach Hans the last step in the sequence, which was putting the dry laundry in the laundry basket, and help Hans with the rest of the steps. Danny printed out a checklist of the steps and laminated it so Hans could check them off as he completed them. Although it took some time, Hans started to get the hang of washing a load of towels. Hans was proud of himself and stopped fighting with his father, at least over this chore.